Welcome to this lecture. In this video, we will discuss the lab setup and prerequisites for the disconnected multi-node installation. You will need your own lab environment to follow along with this course. Here are the minimum requirements. First, you will need a system or a VM host with at least 64 GB of RAM. This ensures that all the cluster components can run smoothly without resource constraint. Next, make sure you have at least 300 GB of disk space available. This is important because container images and cluster data can consume a significant amount of storage. You will also need a hypervisor such as libvirt, VMware or ESXi to create and manage your virtual machines for the cluster. And finally, you will need a separate system with a temporary internet connection. This system is used to download and mirror container images, which will then be transferred to your disconnected environment. Now let's take a look at the network requirement. Your lab should simulate the real networking involved in a disconnected install. First, you will need a local DNS server, something like DNS mask or bind. This is required so that all your cluster components can resolve each other's host names properly within your internal network. Next, DSCP is optional. You only need it if you are planning to use Pixie Boot for automated node provisioning. If you are setting up your systems manually, you can skip this. Finally, you must plan your IP addressing carefully. You'll need static IP addresses for your Bootstrap node, master node, and worker nodes. That's all for this lecture. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel if you find the content helpful. You can also enroll for one-on-one sessions by contacting our team.